Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing a new foundation. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. This claims to have 1.5% niacinamide in it, claims to be weightless, comfortable, buildable blur, and yeah, it's supposed to basically kind of get rid of your pores. I got the shade Gingerbread, which Gingerbread 430N, which when I put it on my face, first impression was, wow, this is kind of light for me. But once it's set, it actually was my perfect match. I did go in store and swatch it before I made an online purchase. So a little bit more about this look. This look was actually inspired by one that I did about a year ago when I first started. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I got tongue-tied trying to say that. I only used 2 shades. First, I started off wanting to make it a monochromatic look, so I put that pink sparkly shade all over my eye. But then I noticed that it was missing something, so I took a darker shade and just carved out the crease. I decided to add a little bit of rhinestones, not too many, and some eyelashes, and I think that really pulled the look together. And this is how it came out. I was getting more and more excited as I kept working. I went in with a little bit of purple on my bottom lash line as an eyeliner. Instead of using black, I like to use different colors on my waterline because I think it ties the look together better than a black eyeliner would. To finish off this look, I thought Fenty Diamond Veil highlighter was the perfect highlighter to use. It had some silver accents with the rhinestones. So this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.